playing hide and seek at the moment. The ball should jag around for the first few overs. That's what he got. And bowled him through the gate. This is what I was talking about. The ball's going to jag around a bit. Just to negate again. This time he had his line. This is what I was talking about. Off the pads. Ball racing away towards the fine leg boundary. Waiting for the umpire signal. He calls it as bat. Driving this one through covers. This time plays it through gully and point and gets a boundary. So first boundary for Jikesh. And a man at long on. Right arm over. Down the leg side, asking for a stumping. Is he going upstairs? Umpire is not interested. In the air, the man at wide long off. Izzy takes that one. He drops up one. Cuts this one. The man at point. Not so good fielding by Prabhat. He could have stopped it with his hand. Decides to go with his leg and pulls it back at the last minute. Allows that boundary. This time driving on the up. Over the bowler's head. Over the long on fielder. First maximum of the game. A change of bat. And Prabhat this time coming down the track. Plays it towards covers. One bounce into the fence he goes. Shubin now tosses this one, but this time doesn't get to the pitch of the ball. Does the ball sail? Yes, it does sail over the boundary. He's behind the ball, just given him a single of the first ball. This time straight over the man at covers, and this one's the third maximum. Shubin. Last ball of the over. Playing it over the bowler's head, and the ball races away towards the boundary. This time down the tracks towards long on and sails over the man for Prabhat. Sorry, it's Prashant who's bowling to this one. Again, tossing this one up towards the man at long on, and he drops at one. Score moves on to 96. Tossing this one up, plays it towards the vacant deep square leg area for another boundary. Deep is the chance of a run out, and the umpire has given that. The saying is you never run on a misfield, and this is what he did. He was quite. Fourth ball of the over to Adil. This time slightly short, goes on to the pull. He doesn't have any cover, and the bluff didn't work. Over the man at long on and on to the next. More balls left in the over. This is the 13th over of the innings. Slightly short towards the man at mid wicket, and one bounce into the fence he goes. Last ball of the over. Shot again, but this time misses that one, and he's been bowled, so some more. Dilfer on to strike. First ball straight over the bowler's head. One bounce. Stump quite close to the batsman. This time in the slot, and it's over the fielder onto the roll on like a F1 car, as this time trying to go, but he's been bowled under the bat. The ball full toss towards mid wicket. Ronit coming to his right, but one bounce into the fence. He goes quite low, quite slow. He took off the what the umpires have confirmed. So another one asking for an edge, and yes, it is. So wicket number 5. Finally, some reward for the Bhupesh taking side. Plays it towards the man at long on. Prabhat there, and lost it for a second. Runs with 2 wickets in this over. Last ball coming up, full toss. Bowls it down the leg side. Wait for the umpire signal. The ball going away towards the. Plays it in the air over the man at point. The ball racing away towards the boundary, and it will reach the fence. AJ unable to cut it off. Did well. The moment it was hit, cut it off. Did well. The moment it was hit over his head, he turned around and chased the ball, but in the end, the wind taking the ball away. Scoring with 14, a few extras to help their cause as well. Trying to manufacture a shot, top edge over the man at short third. So his first bound. as Chikesh slower in the air, and this time towards the left of the man at long off, a one bounce into the fence, no loss in 6.5. Last ball of the over coming up. This time cuts this in the air. AJ going to his right, and he misjudges the spin, and the ball races. Plays it in the air towards the man at deep mid wicket. Wait for the and the ball. Another one, this time tossing this one up, and Santosh has got enough power to send this over the long on boundary for a plus. This time over the top and over the bowler's head for a. This time plays it towards the man at long off and cleanly pouched by Adil. So in the air, chance for the man, and the keeper does well. All Bhupesh floats this one and plays it over the man at mid wicket for toes. The ball's going to be traveling a lot this side. At this time, plays it in the air for the man at square leg, under that, and a safe pair of hands. It was a 1 over 13 runs. Full toss, plays it towards the square leg area of backward or square. 4 more. Cotton ball, Shabas. Full toss, plays it towards the man at square leg, and a good catch by 8. This time plays it towards the right of the fielder at square leg. So for 4 more on strike. Last ball of the over coming up. Full toss, plays it towards the man at cow corner. There's the man stationed there, and that is agonizing.
For bat first today. So last game we took the bowling first. So I think we did quite good with the bowling. So this time we have some couple of changes in the team as well. So yeah, we
Tucked him up, and this one goes to the boundary, keeping their hopes alive just for some time. A boundary to all. The boundary, it's still not good enough.